Dear Jaja Josefina Somera Disono, Superintendent Father Efren Ambre, and to Mrs. Ermely C. Panet, to our beloved parish priest and at the same time our school director, His Reverence Father Drexel B. Ramos, the active teaching staff, spearheaded by Mrs. Maria Leonides Cabato, our school principal, the public officials, dear parents, friends, loved ones, and you, my fellow graduates. Ladies and gentlemen, may I take this opportunity to welcome you all and to extend further word of welcome to everyone here this afternoon. We are bound together by this memorable occasion, and I am full with happiness now. For today marks another milestone in our lives. Today concludes those years in spending this time in this alma mater. This moment signifies our success we have been yearning after all those times. On this culmination, I remember the times of the heroic struggle of my fellow graduates as well as mine. Along the way, we encountered many problems, which make ourselves strong and have a self-confidence in our every challenge we face. But even though we face many problems, at least we overcome it. Kaya po kami tinawag na masikap sa buhay or masik high class. We work so hard, we spend time just to survive in every difficulties we face. Determination and unity of one another help us to stay focused in our goals. Our parents also rallied with us behind those difficult times. They poured their times and sacrifices for us. And under the circumstances, the result has reaped positive effect on us. For today, full flying color, this graduation manifests our success. And at this moment, let me share you a short story about my stay in Pilar. Akala ko po nung una, akala ko po nung una pangit dito. Akala ko po nung una boring. Hindi ko po makakalimutan yung mga times nung inatid po ako ng papa ko sa terminal ng bus. Naiyak po ako ng iyak kasi ayaw ko pong mag-transfer dito. Pero nagpapasalamat pa rin po ako dahil may tito po akong tumulong sa akin na siyang nagpaaral sa akin. Kaya po ako ngayon nandito. At ngayon po, hindi po ako nagsisisi na lumipat ako dito. Bagkus ipinagmamalaki ko po na ako'y nag-aral dito, na dito ko po naipakita ang aking talento. Hindi ko po makakalimutan ang bawat araw at oras na ibinigay ng aking mga kaibigan sa akin. Sa bawat masasayang panahon na naidulot nila sa aking buhay. Sila po ang naging inspirasyon ko, kaya po ako nandito ngayon as our salutatorian. And I'm proud na naging parte rin po ako ng buhay nyo. At minsan na napasaya ko kayo. Hindi ko po makakalimutan ang bansag na MJ of the Pilar. Sa bawat araw na lumipas, sa bawat oras na lumipas, hindi ko po kayo makakalimutan. Sa aking pagtungtong sa kolehiyo po, kayo po ang magiging inspirasyon ko upang mas lalo akong maging matatag sa aking buhay. Upang mas lalo ko pong mapaigi ang aking pag-aaral. This experience means me a lot. So to you, my fellow graduates, this education we have just been through is only our basic preparation. This education is only the beginning of our real life. So now I encourage you, as what my parents always told me this, that we must never stop serving our God and praising Him always. Let God be the light in our path. Let God be our Savior in our life, because He is the only one who can control us, our life. And to our dear parents, let's fully thank them all as they give their support, love, and care to us. Let's salute them all for their sacrifices they gave to us. And for the time being, I wish to utter again my heartfelt greetings to you all. Be one of us and share the magic of this celebration. Be the living witness as our success will be achieved. To you, my fellow graduates, till we meet again, and good luck to our next page of our journey. Once again, good afternoon, and welcome to all.
Thank you so much, Jamsel. Once again, this school year's class salutatorian, Jamsel Bualan.